Amazing. This old pub there, the Ferry House. Used to meet there when there was a band, or a flower pot rather. That's still here. Never used to be called home, but higher base. This old wood yard's been here for years. Now down the posh end. Oh, there you go, lovely. Down the posh end. Elm Road, I think this is. This is sort of like the approach to the secondary school, the Queen's School. So to take that big long walk and come out up here somewhere. So all the big, huge houses who's been pressed along here. To go down the little road there to get to the school. We're going to go a different way. There we go. So here we go, there's another way into it, into the Queen's School. There she is. No, that hasn't changed much. There's a DT block. Stigsy, you remember that? And actual Thomas Clarkson now. Gates. Yeah, incredible. Our classrooms still look the same. They used to come in as a bike shed, used to be down there. Out. Famous route out. Yes, it looks lovely. There's a number of them. These are all new. These are not. These are old. These were there. You see a lot of new houses. There's another one going up there, look. It's right next to the school. It's a crazy school. Crazy. Another view coming in. I remember that being there, but this was there. I remember this old schoolhouse, I think. Sean Wright Primary School. To show you the this is the house where first band rehearsals happened. It's probably 15, 16 years old. It's just there. It says soul on it. Big old house. It is in that house. That's where it all began. Just there. Amazing. All began there. A guy called Mark Booty, brilliant keyboard player, fantastic on the piano, went on to work with some well-known acts in the music industry. Not sure what happened to Mark, lost touch with him, but good guy. That's where it all started. The band was called Before Our Time, or in short, BOT for Bot. Funny, eh? So I'll take you to another great source of my early inspiration was a priest, a vicar. Saved me really. Saved a lot of us from delinquency, I guess, and all the shenanigans that youths get up to when I was 15, 16. Used to use the church hall to practice. In fact, my first gig was in a church, bizarrely. This is where we used to live. I just want to show you this. And I remember years ago watching, it's just here, used to live here, not watching, listening to Simon and Garfunkel's Bridge Over Troubled Water album, just here. And also there's a guy called Barry Maguire, sort of Christian type guy, folk guy. Used to listen to him, and Bob Dylan, other people. This is where it all began, folks. A long time ago, musically. This is a real spectacle along here. This is called the North Brink. Looks quite quaint, doesn't it? Lots of TV programmes been made here. Yep, lots of TV programmes. Just because I think it's Edwardian, or yeah, I think it's Edwardian. Just the facade on here. So they've made a lot of movies along there. Well, TV shows, they're not about movies. Pickwick Papers, all that kind of thing. Vanity Fair. There you go, Peckover House. famous. Just there, strangely, in that little room there, there's a lot of band discussions. Done up in those old flats years ago, lots of band discussions. Just here's the old jailhouse from way back. Down in there used to be the old police station. The grounds. Right, up in the distance there's a peak. You can see that's it's a statue of Thomas Clarkson. One of the main men in the abolition of slavery, trade slave. I wrote my first piece that was ever published in a magazine called East Anglia Monthly, and I took a picture of that and they published that as a 2-page spread. It's a nice little job, all about the life and times of Thomas Clarkson and what he did to get rid of that awful trade, slavery. There we go, we're able to see Thomas standing up there. Famous son of Wisbech. There he is. We had the White Lion Hotel down there. We used to meet, talk about music. So we used to gather before we used to go and off to see Thin Lizzy or Queen. Yeah, amazing. Memories, music, pubs, talking, young lads. All the good old boys drinking. There's the hotel. Dereliction. There's the river. So now I'm going to take you way back. Where I used to live when I was a kid, young child, up to about the age of 6. I used to live with my grandparents. Obviously mum and dad were there as well. They couldn't afford their own home back in those days, so we lived here. Wow! That's where I got my first motorbike. Only it used to be a motorbike shop, not an Indian restaurant. Here we go. Take it down here. There's been a lot of developments, especially around the port. I don't think we can get down there. It's diverted traffic. I don't know. We might do it. Let's have a look. Diverted traffic along the port. I wanted to take you to a bench. I'm not sure if it's still there actually. It looks like we're going to have to go around again. We have to go the opposite way. So that's trying to get all this stuff. Wow, now that is different. It's so different. Used to be a road through there. Anyway, I'll get to it another way. So this is the kind of port service. Years ago it used to be really busy, but then obviously the decline in trade via shipping routes, especially here in Wisbech. It means they've given it like a marina feel, still building it up. Can't get down there, looks like a divertence around here for some reason. So that's all new, totally new, I'm not sure what that is. Diversion in. Bit up here on the right I wanted to get to, I hope I can still get there. Wow. Amazing, so that's a bit very different. This is it. Let's have a look at that. I'm not sure we can see it now. And the road's closed, brilliant.